Turning now to a disturbing case in Cleveland that is tough to hear. Two young children are accused of rape, strangulation, and attempted murder of a 5-year-old. Today, one of the accused, a 10-year-old girl, faced a juvenile court judge. Annabelle Childers was in the courtroom and has the latest.
This morning, attorneys and family members filed into a juvenile courtroom for the scheduled arraignments of a 9- and 10-year-old accused of brutally attacking a 5-year-old girl.
A 5-year-old on September 13th of 2025 was found naked in a field, urinated upon.
The specific allegations outlined in court records are too graphic to describe, but each child is charged with 9 counts, including attempted murder, rape, and strangulation. The older of the two suspects, the 10-year-old girl, was arraigned first. Because she's a minor, we're not showing her face, but she walked in wearing a parka, and throughout the hearing, she kept her hood up, covering most of her face.
If at any point during this hearing I say something you don't understand, I want you to raise your hand and let me know that, okay?
Prosecutor Oscar Albores asked the judge to order the defendant to home detention with an ankle monitor. The victim's mother, Antavia Kennebrew, making her own plea to the judge.
They should not get grace or a break to return home and get prepared for their lives to change, because not only did they been given enough time already, nothing prepared my baby for her life to be changed.
The defense asked the judge for leniency.
I would assume that if she is put on an ankle monitor, that will become public knowledge, and if that is, and if someone figures out where she is living and they know that she is court ordered to be there, that could pose a potential safety risk to her and her family.
After hearing from both legal teams, Judge Kristen Sweeney did order home detention with an ankle monitor for the 10-year-old, and she also ordered her to complete a competency evaluation.
And I'm just going to note this for the record. We don't have a parent present in court today. One of the aspects of home detention is that it allows the court to have some sort of an assessment of what the risks and the situation really is.
After the 10-year-old's arraignment, the 9-year-old boy was supposed to appear for his, but the boy's attorney told the judge his mother wasn't able to bring him.
Last night and this morning, her car is broken down. She's trying to get money together to fix it. She hasn't been able to yet. So she's asking the court for reasonable continuance. Even next week, she should be able to resolve the transportation issues and not be here.
Now, the victim's mother has been vocal about getting justice for her daughter. She told me the attack has completely changed her daughter's life. The boy's arraignment is now set for next Thursday, November 13th at 9 o'clock. And the judge says that in December, she will hold an attorney conference where they will discuss the competency process for the 10-year-old girl. Lena.
Wow, just upsetting all around. All right, Annabelle Childers in the newsroom. Thank you.